So first come on this website gigabyte.com. So you go Gigabyte official website, then you can see here the search button. Click here and then type your motherboard model number, which is Z890 AORUS Pro Ice, and then hit enter. Then click to, you can see here the product. And click to here. Then click to support. Select your operating system which is required. Okay. Then Bluetooth. After that, open, double click to setup, which is downloaded. Then just open and giving to yes for administrator rights. Now this is extracting. Now Bluetooth driver is Intel Bluetooth driver, you can see here this is with version. So now this is installing. Wait few seconds. Then it is download. After install, it will close and then check it.